Alright, man, what's good, YouTube? Welcome back to another video. It's your boy Vontae 1K.
We got Mario 1K.
It's your boy Miami 1K.
Eat my balls.
Yo, it's a PT Cruiser, bro. That's the type of car I feel like it's perfect for you, bro. You know what a PT Cruiser is?
Nah, that mean it's not perfect for me.
I like your cat. No.
Oh.
She trying to get that shit scratched though. Hey man, we on the way to take pictures for my Instagram and my brand. But I thought, like, why not just do a POV drive while we what is that? What the fuck is that? Oh, you mother. You know I drive a BMW, bro. You know I feel like anything could break at any moment. So like the fact that you didn't put your seatbelt on and it started chiming, I think something about to go wrong. Like so I pray to God that it don't, and that you just put your seatbelt on next time we get in the fucking car. I mean, you like 2 feet tall, so like you can easily fly them. That's the PT Cruiser right there. Yes. That shit is tough.
First off, you're a dick riding saying I'm 2 feet tall. And second of all, I would never drive that slow. I would literally rather die.
If there was a zombie apocalypse and that was the only car driving.
Nigga, if it was a zombie apocalypse and that was the only car, nigga, I'm walking.
Oh hell no, I'm gonna goddamn put monster truck wheels on that bitch. Oh God, and I'm gonna push that bitch. What you talking about?
I'm gonna push you. Down the stairs.
Wow, that's how you coming, twin? Alright. You know, I felt bad for your mother.
Wow.
She had to push your big ass head out 18 years ago.
Actually,
and
it was
she never been the same since.
It was a C-section. So,
it was a C-section.
I didn't get pushed out, pussy.
That I believe it, cause no way in hell that big ass head was gonna come out of such a small hole with such a big ass fucking head.
Your head is bigger than mine. Like,
cause I'm older than you.
Yeah. What?
You're still growing into your head.
No.
No, yeah, that's cap, y'all. That's so cap, bro. That's so fucking cap, bro.
That shit stays the same, bro.
No, it don't, nigga.
Your shit been the same since.
Your shit don't grow, nigga. Nah, John Cena is crazy. I'm not gonna lie. I'm not tolerating that level of disrespect. I'm not tolerating that level of disrespect. Yo. I would go down the street, but I'm not. I can't. I can't, buddy. Here, hold this right. We got inmates and shiesty masses and shit.
Oh shit.
All type of shit. What the fuck they got going on?
What the fuck are they doing? Oh, it's about Jesus.
Do y'all believe in Jesus? Let me know in the comment section. Can you believe it? Yo!
Oh shit.
Watch out, G!
That nigga
What's wrong with you?
ready to get smacked.
What's wrong with this ass? God damn. Yo, niggas out here for team, y'all. Crazy drug. Not to say he was high, but either you high as hell or you trying to die. But I'm gonna tell you what, I was not stopping this car. I would just flip that nigga and keep going. That nigga would have flew into goddamn the fourth dimension. I gotta get over this, man. Hey, Mari going Z01, right?
Yeah.
Mario 1K is going Z01. My thing right now is, right, who y'all got running on the 60 road, bro? A Z01 or an M5 comp, bro? Mari, for some reason, the videos that I watch, like, it's crazy, bro. All the videos that I've been watching, Hellcats, fucking Benzes, nigga, BMW, they all been walking Z01s. The one time I watched this shit with this nigga, every video I watch, the Z01 is walking shit. How the fuck is Z01 be the demon? On YouTube, bro. Like, how to make that make sense, bro? How? So now I'm like, all right, cool. Mari was on his little high horse thinking that the Z01 can just beat the whole fucking universe. And I mean, it just is what it is, bro. But I'm gonna tell you one thing. We're gonna try it. We're gonna test it. Oh God, we're gonna test it, bro.
Oh God, we're gonna test it. And I'm gonna put belt the balls.
I'm about to watch this bitch.
All right.
Something went into the backseat.
Yeah.
I don't know what it was, but something definitely went into the backseat.
It might have been electronic.
An electronic.
Yeah.
An electronic. Have you ever felt something so monstrosity want you like that?
The E-Class.
The E-Class. Which faster, this or the E-Class?
E-Class.
Thank you. I'm gonna show this to my pops. For some reason, bro, my pops think that my E-Class wouldn't want this, bro.
Yeah, E-Class will put belt the ass.
My E-Class was faster, bro. The E-Class was faster, but it was tuned though. And he gonna be like, oh, you gotta tune the M8, and then it'll be better than. Bro, the M8 is quick, bro. I swear to God, this car is, for the love of God, is faster than the E-Class, stock for stock. But nigga, you talking about a modified car now, bro? Shit is ridiculous. What kind of cool features this thing got? What can I do? What the hell can?
The fuck you looking at? God damn.
I know a lot of y'all watched me and y'all like, oh, Vontae 1K is known for the Mopars. But do you really want to see me in a track off? Like, be for real, bro. Like, everybody has a track off. If I got one, trust me, if I had one, it would be the hardest track off. Like, no question. I just know what to do. The only competition that I would have is probably Orange King. Because this nigga literally goes to the certain extent and spends thousands of dollars for details that you probably would never notice. But that's just Orange King. Orange King is just that nigga when it comes to like modifying his car. All these other niggas just put a bird in a different color on and call it a day. But yeah, I'm definitely gonna go crazy. I got shit like in my brain, my little brain that I know like if I had a track, bro, I swear to God my shit would be like next level, bro. But I'm really over the Mopar shit, to be honest. All that, you gotta watch your bag. Your shit might get stolen, broken into, getting pulled over. Y'all know that shit is for the birds.
I hear him.
That 12? It's the ambulance. How you say it? Ambulance?
Ambulance.
Ambulance. That's the fucking ambulance, nigga. I've been thinking, like, what the fuck is a 0 to 60 in this car? I wanna know if there's a timer. I don't want to find out, but I want to find out. Like, studies say that it's like 3 flat. I seen 2.9. That's absurd, bro. This big ass car running a 2.9 0 to 60. But you know what didn't run a 2.9? My Mercedes. I actually got the clip on my phone somewhere. No, it's on YouTube. But 2.9 is ridiculous, bro. Slow down. Kids live here. I don't give a fuck. Fuck them kids. Man, I got a fucking MA competition. I don't give a fuck about them damn kids. I seen this sign, bro, that said drive like your kids live here. Nigga, I'll be doing all type of donuts and shit. My kids gonna be entertained as hell. There's a parking deck down here. I want to take a picture of it. This thing needs brakes. Oh! 9 racks. What the fuck are you looking at?
I love monkey. I'm looking at a monkey. That bitch is kind of bad. Nah, I don't think so. I mean, shit, I don't know. Oh, shit, for real? Damn. Who you got winning? The girl in the green.
You watch Bad Girls Club?
I watch Baddies East.
Why?
Because they be beating the shit out of each other. But the security be in the way sometimes. Nah, I seen the security dead ass was just like, let him go.
No, sometimes they be in the way though.
I seen the security, that nigga was like, look, bro, just go. I was like, damn, you gonna let the bitches fight like that? What if they get injured?
They still get paid.
They still get paid, you're right. Like WWE, you know?
Yeah, like WWE. WWE, like peak fiction.
Peak fiction?
Yeah. Nigga, it's fake.
I mean, yeah, no question, it's fake. Yeah. It's fun though, but it's fake. It's definitely fake. I mean, I don't know what's in like Northern Virginia and shit. You know, that's a big ass PlayStation 3.
What?
That building is just a big ass PlayStation 3.
Oh, I see
Woo, 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 woo. All right.
it. Like, bro, this is why people look at you like a fucking animal.
I sold, bro. I might be tripping, bro. Our last location, our picture location. I don't think I'll be able to pull out my firearm over here, considering that this is like primarily an area where I'm not supposed to be doing that.
Right.
But it just might be worth it though.
Really, you should like jump off something high and like I snap pictures in midair, so like you'll be an angel.
What the fuck? Oh, you trying to kill me, huh?
No, you'll survive.
I sure fucking hope so. What is your favorite words to say?
Eat my balls, throat juggling.
Yo. Where did that vocabulary come from? Your mother did not teach you that.
Me, nigga.
That is
I'm a self-made man. Like I do this shit.
that is crazy, bro. That language is very vulgar.
Not really.
It is.
No,
Eat my balls.
yeah, nigga, eat my balls.
Throat juggling.
Niggas be throat juggling.
That is incredible vocabulary that I feel like you should not know. And they're only the age of 13.
What?
I mean, 18.
That nigga, but yeah.
You're a teenager.
Right now you're throat juggling. Right now.
You're a teenager, bro. You should not know vocabulary like that. Throat juggling, eat my balls, suck my cock, all that shit. Like, that shit is crazy, bro. You should not be saying those things at such a young age. Even though I was saying worse shit. Like cunt sucker and shit.
Oh,
Yeah.
damn.
Throat juggling. I mean, that's a good one.
Yeah, made that myself.
Do you think it'll go viral one day?
Yeah. Easily.
Easily. Yeah, easily. It's kind of crazy, I'm not gonna lie. Very, it's different, I'm gonna tell you that. Eat my dick, nigga. Eat my dick, nigga. What's wrong with you? Yo,
Jerry Springer is in that car next to him.
Jerry Springer's in the car next. Let me slow down.
Look at him. This car got no tint, bro.
Bro, this we fishbowl, bro. I gotta tint this motherfucker like ASAP, bro. You fuck with the inmate though? This is first time riding in the inmate, yeah. It's smooth. I like it. It's a smooth car. But I want the M5. I want the M5. Yo, it's hot. I mean, I can.
That's a thing.
Yes. Nigga, that shit been existing for like forever now.
That was like for Teslas and shit.
No. Alright, I just turned that off. So this is what we finna do. We finna press this button. We just set that motherfucker. And it's driving itself now.
There's no fucking-
I'm not touching the wheel. No, it's about to be a turn. I'm not touching. Hold on. It want me to. I need to make the speed go up some. Go up. Go faster. I'm not touching the wheel and returning.
That shit's elite.
I gotta get over. So look, it's about to check and get over for me. How far are we getting over?
Oh, shit.
Ah! But no, it stops the car for me too. So like, I'm gonna put some distance between us, right? And now it's gonna keep the distance from. It's supposed to be 3 car lengths. That's like 3 car lengths. Let me make it smaller. I'm gonna make it 1 car length. It wants you to keep touching the wheel though, but it's braking for me. Like my foot is not on the brake. It's got to get over. Like this shit's braking for me. I didn't touch the brake. This shit, I fuck with it. It's my first time really using it, but alright. It's not learning turns and shit. Alright. We conquering the turns now, bro. Okay.
So you can't fall asleep in this bitch or you will die. But,
Yeah, you will die. I mean, it's self-driving right now. It says ramp. That motherfucker just turned. Hey, that's lit.
that's so tough.
Get over. It's not gonna want to get over. It's getting over.
It get over slow as shit.
It do. It's like a grandpa ass fucking get over.
Yeah.
Let me just turn that shit off.
If you get the experience,
Yeah, facts. You tell the car to eat your balls and shit.
You hungry?
yes.
What do you want?
Nigga, food. I eat a hot dog. I'm so hungry.
Nah, you that hungry? Nigga, that's worse than Arby's.
I swear, bro. That's how down bad I am, bro.
Down a glizzy, he's that hungry?
Yes, bro.
My niggas take us, ain't worried about them feeling.
You ready to come get your glizzy?
Yo, hey, don't say that shit like that again, bro.
I wasn't taking it to Wawa, but know what? I'm gonna take it to the glizzy headquarters, nigga. And I ain't got no shoes on. I don't give a fuck. Are you ready?
For what?
You getting the glizzy, right?
I'm not eating that shit.
Oh, now you don't want to eat it.
Yeah, I eat a snack.
I bet you he eating one.
Throat in that bitch. Look at it. Oh.
You not doing that?
No.
Why not?
He eating some wings, though. That's a great.
Them wings be busting from this bitch, though. I ain't gonna count. Them wings be busting from this bitch. I ain't gonna count. Alright, y'all, man. So I'm gonna wrap up today's video, man. If y'all new to the channel, make sure y'all leave a comment, like, all that good stuff, man. And boy, this inmate is fucking beautiful. Look at this nigga. Look at this nigga. Oops. Take that.